Round number 6 is here. Once we're done with this event, I will post the second half of the Winter League. You see here? Rosals, Border Chaos, Manclare and Flashes will start us off first. Border Chaos got silver last time. Can you get another one today? Flashes in front. And oh, Border Chaos! Right there. With them. Of course, those songs are eliminated, of course, but I think Border Chaos will win that heat. No Quicksilvers, Penguin Pages, Rainbows, Savvy Waters. Come on. Wait, with the one. Quicksilver's the second one now. Penguin Pages got caught up, and so did Rainbows. So, Savvy Waters and Rainbows can have an easy trip. I meant Quicksilvers. And Penguin Patriots can have an easy elimination. Yeah, Sunballs. Little nice. Now, yes, they are saying Green Lizard again. Of course, Green Lizard will win the heat. This one should look at second. And all Snowball at least finish, so it's not going to be the fastest time, probably the second slowest time. But since everyone else got caught up, Snowballs will probably get a top 10 finish, probably. Pinkies, Blue Spirals, the Rangers are the host. And the hosts are in front. Another fullback at third place. Now with the duck into second. Oh! Ice Chips and Blue Spirals fullbacks. Oh, and Rangers will get eliminated and they will finish. Intense. The host will bands. They're not in this heat, they'll be in the next heat. Flashes, Lizard Eyes, Border Chaos and Dishwasher. And Border Chaos in front. Dishwasher's the second one out, but here comes Lizard Eyes again! And they will bend. Dishwashers will bend with them. Border Chaos and the Flashes them out. The same top 3, no, not top 3, but 2 of the top 3 are in the finals again. So we can say we Waters and bend them. Let's see. And what? Blue Spirals in front. Now Ice Chip is stuck on the inside. Oh, they smack up, but they still advance with the Blue Spirals. Rainbows and Savvy Waters are out. But now, who's going to get the gold? And more Ice Chippers in front. Continues to be the Ice Chippers. And they will get the gold. Ice Chippers again. Scores first. Dishwashers will get third over the Lizard Eyes. But Ice Chippers, Blue Spirals and Dishwashers will get the gold. Silver and bronze. Dishwashers getting their second bronze. 2 events. Pretty decent. 30 points right there. Now we'll be back again for the Polar Plunge coming up next. Up first will be the showdown in this event. Let's see who will win it. And get ready to see what the second half looks like.